Hi, my name is Mark Brown and this is a small wonder video covering the topic of using Superglue and Accelerator to quick fill a fillet on a science fiction tank. In this example I'm joining a HobbyBoss 48th scale tank ring from a T-34 tank to a 20th scale Ammoknight robot walking tank from Hasegawa. I'm cutting off the top of the robot and adding on the tank ring. Now, as you can see, the tank ring is going to be circular, yet the shape it's fitting it over is oval, so it doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to tack on the tank ring and then tack on some fillets that are made with scrap plastic from the same kit. Just using a little liquid glue here to give good adhesion, and I'll be able to move that around as I'm working on it. Now what I'm going to do once they're fixed in place is to backfill with superglue, liquid superglue, behind those fillets, between the fillets and that grey plastic ring. And to speed up the process I'm going to be spraying on Superglue Accelerator, which is in a spray on can. Now with a bit of practice and alternating between the superglue and the accelerator, you can achieve pretty quick and pretty cool results. Just be certain you don't get any of that accelerator onto the nozzle of the superglue. But once sprayed on, you see I'm just basically adding as much of that liquid superglue as possible, allowing it to spread everywhere where I want to fill the fillet, and the accelerator is basically fixing it in place very quickly. It does undergo a chemical reaction, which means the accelerator makes the superglue get very hot, but it does not melt the plastic. The plastic itself might feel a bit rubbery after application, but as soon as the accelerator dries, that's no problem at all. I then will use normal plastic filler, here Squadron Green filler, to fill up around the fillet to give the fine detail, which I'll sand down later with a drop of sandpaper and wet and dry, followed with a bit of finer filler. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learnt a little bit, and that's it for now. Bye bye.